Assalamu alaikum, hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's cooking tutorial I'll be showing you how I make my chicken and veg spring rolls. As Ramadan's just around the corner, tune in with me and check out my Ramadan recipes. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I've got my pan, I'm going to add some oil. I've blitzed 2 large medium-sized onions with some green chilies. So I've added about 6 to 7 green chilies, blitz that, and I'm just going to cook that on low to medium heat. Once the onions come light brown, I'm then going to add in 1.5 kg of mince, chicken mince. I'm then going to add in about 2 teaspoons of salt, and later on in the video I will be showing you where I'll add in about 1/2 teaspoon of Chinese salt. I've added 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to cook that on low to medium heat for about 15 minutes. I've added in 3 tablespoons of soya sauce, and whilst you are cooking you can add in more if you feel you need to. I've added in 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I've added in some chili flakes to give it that extra kick of flavour. I've added in 1 teaspoon of zero powder. I've shredded 1 small cabbage and about 4 carrots into here. I'm just going to add that into the mixture and give that a good mix. I'm only going to cook this on here on medium heat for about 3 minutes. A pinch of Chinese salt. Okay, so the mixture is now ready. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to add this all into a tray so the mixture can cool down and we can start filling our chicken spring rolls. I'm now going to prepare the chicken spring rolls and fill them. So why is Ramadan special to me? During Ramadan, Muslims worldwide fast every day from sunrise to sunset, and for many Ramadan is a time we feel closer to God, pray, spend time with loved ones, support charities and remember those who are less fortunate while they're fasting. It's a time where you have self-reflection, and it's also a time for showing gratitude for everything you have. And that's how I make my chicken and veg spring rolls. So I hope you've enjoyed watching my video today. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Stay tuned for my upcoming Ramadan recipes, and thank you for watching.